What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So one position that I wanted to own so much in the last bull run was a play that had very little supply. And last bull run, I was definitely more into the lower supply that it had, the more potential that it had. Obviously, I wanted to see multiple millions of dollars worth of volume, but I wanted to be a part of something that had less supply and own a whole of that. Okay, because you think about like Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at a trillion dollar, almost multi-trillion dollar market cap, right? And owning one Bitcoin in the past wouldn't have seemed like a lot, right? It could have been $100, it could have been $6, right? But owning one Bitcoin now is a huge deal, right? That's like $85,000 per one Bitcoin that you have. Now, if you don't know, if you hold on to one Bitcoin from that point to where it was at $400, all the way until this point to where it's $85,000, you now spent $400 to gain $85,000 in that time frame. And if you say to anyone that within the last 10 years, I was able to turn one investment that I had from $400 to $85,000, anyone will go, that is an absolutely amazing gain that you have in front of you, right? Whether you're talking about any type of investment, it doesn't matter what it is. It matters with the fact that you had this level of a gain. And the main position that I really wanted to own during that last bull market where I didn't have a crazy amount of money to invest was YFI. And if you don't know what Urine Finance is or haven't heard of Urine Finance, it isn't really in a huge topic of conversation or in the news a lot. I think I've mentioned it maybe twice on this channel, and I plan on mentioning it more, but it doesn't matter if I mention it or not. It's going to have its major moves, and with the circulating supply that it has, right, people are buying fractions of it rather than buying, wholes of it. But as of these low prices, I see many people that are like, look, I'm buying this position, I'm buying YFI, and I'm buying 1, 2, 3, or 4 because it's at a great level compared to what the all-time highs have been. And when you know that an altcoin season, altcoin seasons of altcoin seasons, the biggest altcoin season we could possibly see is going to happen fairly soon, we can imagine that YFI is going to have a major pickup and be worth not only where it was, but maybe even 2 times or 3 times more than that. Because again, you're looking at a lower supply that doesn't necessarily say it's going to be worth multiple trillions of dollars, but it could be worth tens of billions of dollars and still be worth 2 to 3 times more than where it was. So let's talk about this position. If you're familiar with it, feel free to comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you have any. And let me know what you think about the video as well as you go through this. But if you could, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, also, don't forget about my link for BTCC down below. This is a platform to where you can trade up to a 500x leverage. You can also get a 10% deposit bonus when you use my link down below, as well as extra bonuses up to $10,055. So feel free to check out that link down below. Give yourself a chance to be successful in leverage trading. However, I want you to educate yourself and understand leverage trading before you decide to dive in with your own money. This platform does offer a demo trading side to it, so you don't have to worry about using your own money right from the start. But get a sense of how you can be successful, build a strategy, and then go on and use your own money. And make sure you're managing risk very, very well and being very disciplined. So let's get into what we're talking about here. And the reason why we're talking about Urine Finance is because, again, it's one of those plays that people don't understand where it has been because people aren't talking about it as much. So Urine Finance currently stands at $4,660.21. And I know you're probably like, that's hefty, right? I can go buy Shiba Inu for fractions of a penny. I can buy XRP for $1 or $2, right? I can buy many other things for a lot cheaper and own one of those things. And that's great. You can do that. but these are the ones that have a higher price because of the amount of supply that they have, as well as the volume that can go through. So the market cap right now is at $157 million market cap. The market cap listing is currently at 236. So it's on the third page, if I'm not mistaken. It's on the third page of coin market cap, because you have 1 to 100, 100 to 200, and then 200 to 300. So it is at the on the third page. It sees $18 million worth of volume in the last 24 hours, which is not a crazy amount. However, the volume to market cap ratio is 11.5%, which is right around where I want it to be, because it shows a level of popularity, even though it's at a lower market cap. That kind of always has been my measure of saying this has popularity and many people want to invest in this play. But the current circulating supply, this is where everything gets to a great, well, I mean, everything else was great, but it gets to a good level, or a good thing to understand and start implementing into your future strategies. Yearn Finance has 33.78 thousand YFI. We're not talking about million. We're not talking about billion or trillion. We're talking about thousand. It doesn't even have 100,000 coins that are out there. It has 33,000. And I have single digits of that 33,000. Now, again, the current price is sitting at $4,651.87. It is available on many of the top markets, right? It's available on Binance on an S-tier exchange. It's available on Coinbase on an S-tier exchange. It's available on 190 other trading pairs that you have there, whether it's YFI to BTC, YFI to USDT, or, so be it, right? It's available in many different places, and you're able to see millions of dollars that can go through there as you're making these trades. If we look at the last 7 days, it is up by almost 5%. In the last month, it's down by 8%, just like kind of everything else that has fallen down a lot. In the last year, it's down by 31%. We've seen it go all the way up to $14,000 before decreasing down to $4,651. I would love to buy more here, because currently it is above my cost basis, and I will show you that, but I currently don't have a lot of money to spend, and I think I have a decent amount to get what I want. If we look at all history, this shows the highest prices that this have been to, right? It was at a 72, what they show here is a $73,000 price per coin, meaning that if you owned one, you owned $73,000. That's fantastic, right? You could have bought down here at the $5,000, $1,000 mark, whatever, and you could see the level of success. You can see how long it's held. If something increased and then just decreased automatically and cannot hold these levels, the fact that it has so much open space here above the $20,000 mark, $30,000, $40,000 mark, it shows how much strength it really has. And while it shows 73,000, that's not the highest price that it's been to. The highest price, all-time high, was on May 11th, 2021, which is around that point, right? May 11th, 2021. 4 years ago, $93,435.53. That's a lot. To say that you own one and it's worth $93,000 is phenomenal. If I would have been able to own one of that back then before it decided to increase, I would have sold probably half of it, and I would have taken my initial investment plus a lot of profit. And that's what I stand to do during this next altcoin season, this bull run, because we're going to see a level of popularity that continues with this 10%, 20%, 30% volume to market cap ratio. I expect it to go 2 to 3 times higher than this market cap here. We're talking about multiple billions of dollars. If this gets to a $10 billion market cap, we're talking about literally hundreds of thousands of dollars per coin. For me, all I want to see it get to is $100,000 per coin, which is back to a $2 billion market cap or so, to get you back to those levels. And I think it can easily get back up to those levels. I think that I will see that level, and what I will do is take a portion and take my initial investment plus my profit. Now, I invested at a level of $5,000. Let's look at what I have here. I'm going to go over to Coinbase. I invested at a level of 5,000, or my average cost base is 6,361. The last time that I bought it was like 5,000, which lowered my cost basis, right? It is 4% of my portfolio. The total value that I have is $23,758.81. I currently have 5 YFI. My plan is to take one of those and get my initial investment plus profit, and then see hopefully the level of success. If we're not at peak altcoin season, that level of success to 2 to 3 times over what the previous high was, meaning that we can get to $200,000 to $300,000 per coin, and that's for a $33,000 coin. Like, it sounds crazy, but it's not at the same time. There's only 33,000 coins that are available for trading. Now, as you get up to some of those limits, as you get up to some of those levels, it's difficult to offload more YFI. And I expect to only offload one at a time, maybe even a half at a time. But you can see right now I'm down on this position, and I'm comfortably down. I'm fine with what I have here. I would love to find or to have the money to be able to invest more into this play, because I think with every one that I buy, I'm gaining at least $100,000 out of this. That's my opinion on this, and it might not be 100% fact, but it feels like a fact to me, that every one that I buy, I'm gaining at least $100,000 worth, right? So if it's at $4,000 or $5,000, I'm gaining an extra $95,000 in the end. That's my opinion of it, right? And I think you guys can all take it with a grain of salt. I'm not saying that you have to buy it or you have to own it, but I definitely want to purchase more at these levels. So if I could find anything to clear up some to gather and get 5 more, that would be fantastic. To get me another $23,000 worth, that would be fantastic. But I don't have that money right now. If I could find a gain from somewhere else and then be able to put it here, that would be great. But again, I don't have that right now. So let me know what you think about YFI. Do you believe that this is going to see the level of success that I'm seeing, that it's going to get to hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of, per coin? Or do you think it's going to stay where it is? Do you think it's going to stay at $5,000, $6,000, hover between $10,000 and just not have that level of success? Let me know your thoughts. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. Check out my link for BTCC down there, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.